Hello students, today we are going to solve trigonometry example. The example is cosec A minus sin A is equal to P and sec A minus cos A is equal to Q. Then prove that P square Q bracket raised to 2 upon 3 plus bracket PQ square bracket raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. For this, first we will take cosec A minus sin A is equal to P, and I will show you step by step how to solve this example. So first I will write here cosec cosec A minus sin A is equal to P. Now we reduce this cosec into sin. Therefore, we get here 1 upon sin A minus sin A upon 1 in same way, means in fraction form, is equal to P. Therefore, cross multiplication, we get here 1 into 1, 1 minus sin A into sin A, sin square A upon sin A into 1, that is sin A is equal to P. Now here 1 minus sin square A means cos square A upon sin A is equal to P. Here 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A, because by using trigonometric identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and when we take this sin square A to the right side, then we get cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So we put that value here. Now this is very important. Then squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So we get this cos square A, when we taking square of this, then becomes 2 into 2, 4, means cos raised to 4 A upon sin square A is equal to P square, because we want here, we have given here P square Q bracket raised to 2 upon 3. Here also same way PQ square bracket raised to 2 upon 3. So we want P, then P square, Q and Q square. So we convert them into P square and then Q square. Then next one, that is we have given sec A minus cos A is equal to Q. Now we can write directly here values of P, like P and P square for this Q. Therefore here Q is equal to, we write directly sin square A. Solve this way, same to same. For this sec A means 1 upon cos A minus cos A upon 1, then cross multiplication and solve same way for Q and Q square. Then sin square A upon cos A. This is value of Q, and then Squaring both sides means q square is equal to sin raised to 4a upon cos square e. Means these are values of q and q square. Then we have given to prove that is p square q bracket raised to 2 upon 3 plus pq square bracket raised to 2 upon 3. We want is equal to 1. Now we put here values of p square q and pq square. Step by step I will show here. Now p square, value of p square, that is cos raised to 4a upon sin square a into value of q, sin square a upon cos a, then plus sign. Same here, 2 upon 3. Then same way p, value of p, cos square a upon sin a into value of q square, sin raised to 4a upon cos square a bracket raised to 2 upon 3. Now here sin square and this cos a, and instead of this 4 means we write here 3. Then here also cos square a cancelled and sin a, and here raised to 4 becomes 3. Therefore here cos cube a bracket raised to 2 upon 3. So this 3 and 3 cancel, plus same way here sin cube a bracket raised to 2 upon 3. So 3 cancel. Therefore left over, that is I will write this first, sin square a plus cos square a. The value of this trigonometry identity is 1. Therefore p square q bracket raised to 2 upon 3 plus bracket pq square bracket raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to 1.